that how was this call? How was this call?
Very quite refreshing, quite knowledgeable. I learned quite a few things here, and it gave me a bit of clarity on some of the gray areas I had about internet marketing.
And
So,
what three things did you learn from this call? What three things are your takeaway? What three takeaways did you get from this call?
well, I would just sell to my customers. But yes, I know now that there are ways to actually make customers to come to get up. How do I put it? I basically learned how to get converted customers, how to make customers convert to actually buy your product, and yeah, and obviously it comes with its own strategies and everything which you've talked about, so that was very, very, very enlightening for me, you know and I also learned how um, to um, to keep your customers, like, to make them come back, like repeat customers, how to build that a database, for repeat customers to come back, buy products from you and all that, just and to be able to I think the one of the major, or should I say the best, I learned is understanding that you're not actually marketing to everybody, that you have a certain target which you need to focus your resources on, and these are the people that you need to actually buy your products and help your brand grow, more like being focused in your advertising, being focused in your targeting and all that. Because if you want to target everybody, you want to target the whole world, at the end of the day, you become master of nothing, really, because you're trying to put resources everywhere when you should actually be focusing and targeting the people, the right audience. Okay. And yeah, you also talked about, I think, custom audience, having a custom audience, where, because these are people you always go back to, you always, and the people who keep your brand going, basically, so you want to guard them jealously and make sure that, those are the kind of people you're targeting every time. And yeah, so which was something I wasn't really doing. And I would just put adverts there, and I would just reach everybody, all females, because I believe everybody loves fashion, everybody wears clothes, everybody wears jewelry. So all females, my target will be all females, and in London, and then I'll be like, I'll just put ads there, I'll book gigs, I do things, but without actually having that, like, streamed um targeting, so I think that's where I'm a bit like not getting it right. So yeah, and that's basically. So it was quite enlightening for me, quite eye-opening, quite informative, and I'm hoping that I can actually start proactively acting and doing these things you said, and maybe hopefully improve my business, through it.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me your feedback, because I love hearing the value that you received, because this call was not about me, but it was more about you. So I'm happy that you are getting something out of this call. So I appreciate you giving me those details, and
Yeah.
happy, to give all this value.